Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm on your Windows PC. At first you have to open your favorite browser. Then in this URL section, you have to just write www.jetbrains.com. Now press enter. Here you can see that the website of JetBrains. As Pycharm is powered by JetBrains, that's why you must go through this website. Now in this search section, you have to write Pycharm. Here you can see that the versions of Pycharm, the Pycharm ID for professional developers by JetBrains, and here are also another versions. I'm just clicking on the first option. Here you can see that the downloading option of Pycharm. Here click on this download section. You can see here the professional version of Pycharm. If you want to get the professional version, then you have to click on this download section. You have to pay for the professional version, or you can just get the free trial if you want. Here I'm going to show you guys how to install the community edition. For downloading this, you have to click on this download section. After clicking on download, it will be started downloading, and firstly you have to put this file wherever you want. You can fix the location here, and after fixing the location you just have to click on the save button. As I have already downloaded this exe file, that's why I'm not downloading this right now. Now I am going to show you guys where the .exe file has been downloaded on my PC. For this I'm just cancel this option and go to the files. Here you can see that the downloaded files, and here is the .exe file of Pycharm Community Edition. By double clicking on this file, it will be started installation. Here you can see that the installation process has been started. You can change the location if you want. Just click on that browse option and fix the location. After fixing the location, you have to click on the next button. Here you can see some details of how much space will be required to install this software, and the space which is available on your PC. Here you can see some options. If you click on the 64-bit launcher, it will be created a desktop shortcut on the Windows screen. If you click on this .py, then it will be created an association with the jetbrains.com. If you want to open folder as project, then just click on this section that add open folder as project. You can also add launcher directory to the path if you want. After clicking all of these, you must have to click on this next section. Here I am keeping this as it is, then just click on the install section. You can see that the installation process has been started. The installation process has been completed here. You have to just click on the finish button after completion of installation. Here is some rules and regulation of JetBrains Community Edition. You can read all of this if you have time. Then just click on this confirmation section and then just click on confirm. Here I don't want to share any of data, that's why I'm just clicking on don't send. Here you can see that the Pycharm has been started running. It will take some seconds or minute. Here is the interface of Pycharm. You can create a new project or open a project. Here is another option for getting from VCS. I'm going to create a new project now. Just click on this plus section. Here you can see the interface of creating a new project. You can change the location of project if you want. Just click on this browse section and put the file wherever you want to put this. You can also rename the project, and you can also change the main location of this project if you want. After fixing all of this, just create this project. Here this pop-up is showing us that the project is started setting up. Here this is creating the virtual environment. Here you can see some tips of the code. You can read all of this if you have time, and you can also skip it if you want. It will take some time for creating the virtual environment. Here you can see that the project has been created. For creating a new file, you have to just click on this name of the project and click the right button of your mouse and select the option whatever you want to create now. Here are so many options for creating file. If you want, then you can create a normal file or a scratch file or a directory if you want. You can also create Python package or a HTML file. Here I am going to create a Python file. For creating a Python file, you must have to click on this section, that Python file. I'm just clicking on this, and here you can see that the pop-up is showing here for creating a Python file. You must have to give a name of this and then press enter. Here you can see that the file has been created. Here you can write the code as you want. Thanks for watching. See you in my next videos.